G'day, welcome to Taupo International Motorsport Park. Yes, it's a McLaren track day, some awesome machinery here, and I have access to a very, very cool car. Come and check this out. I've been waiting to share this with you for a very long time. This is the McLaren 765 LT. Now, of course, this isn't the first time we've talked about the 765 LT. In fact, we first introduced it back in, I think it was 2020 after, I think, the second lockdown. And since then, a combination of lockdowns and other delays meant we never got the chance to drive it. Well, today, the stars have aligned in a truly cosmic level, because not only do we get to drive the 765 LT, we get to drive it on the track. First, some background. This car is based on the 720S. So in simple terms, it is a faster version of a truly great supercar. Just ponder that one. Now, when I say faster, there's more power, 750 horsepower. The 765 number, by the way, is both the PS power figure and also the number of these cars that have been built. Some of the words used to describe this car have been outrageous, intense, even shocking. McLaren themselves, radical, relentless, reborn. Now, it's based on the 720S, but there's a whole lot of Senna going on as well under all that carbon fibre and composite bodywork. The braking system, the seats, the same forged pistons. Out of coincidence, the same torque figure. And it's not just the pistons in the 4-litre V8 that sits under this polycarbonate engine cover, the turbos, they've upped the ante there, and then look at the rear end of this car. Quad titanium exhaust pipes. This is all venting to keep the engine cool, and that diffuser is something serious. And of course, this huge active rear wing. I all hope it's about to do its job for me, because we're about to have some fun. Right away, you are very aware that this car is worthy of the long tail name. Wow, instantly you know who's boss. It's not me. This thing is awesome. They've shortened the gear ratio, so this thing doesn't just accelerate, it explodes. 2.8 seconds to 100. Remember, that's rear wheel drive only. 200, 7 seconds. Actually, I've heard less. This car is take your breath away fast, even at my pace. And it's not just the speed, it's the way it attacks corners. The front's lower, it's wider, upgraded suspension and springs. I'm just watching that air brake come up behind me. I've watched the other videos of this car. I've watched it being drifted. I don't own it, I don't plan to try. It really needs to come with a warning, like those coffee cups. Cautions, contents may be red hot. It's fun, yes, but this car really needs to carry an M rating. The numbers are incredible. The reality, though, is even more so. I've driven some awesome cars. This is one of them. It's not just incredible, though. It's unforgettable.